Bali 4,000, ma'am. Cash on delivery. Shopee delivery ni siya, ma'am. 4,000 po. Ayun man nakapangalan, ma'am. Ma'am Feby. Cash on delivery po kasi, ma'am. Pa-check namin, ma'am. Pero may pambayad tayo dyan. Pa-receive namin, ma'am. May na lang natin pag-usapan yung bayad po. Naka-box po kasi, ma'am. Hindi namin alam po kung anong laman, ma'am. Check nyo na lang po. Happy birthday po, ma'am.
Wala na tanungan. Yung future BF daw, te. Future BF daw, sabi na sa kapatid mo. Ikaw, wala na tanungan. Yung future BF daw, te. Future BF daw, sabi na sa kapatid mo. Ikaw,
Guys, na message. Hello, Feb. Always remember that your friends are here. We may not care physically, but we always thinking about you. As another day embarks in your life, we wish you a happy birthday. May the Lord gives you good health always and gives what your heart desires. Life may never be easy, but always continue to have a good heart. Thank you for being my friend. Sa pag-uli na ako, namo, magbanding-banding pud ta. Stay healthy and blessed. Surprise from Romeline, all the way from Germany.
ay pangalan pala. Wala siyang uyap pala. Kasal. Na yan. Girl pala ito. Happy birthday.
Message mo hindi.
Pero gani, kung ka talaga si Romelinda. Bakit ito ka nakatingin?
Okay. Sige, atong kantaan si Ma'am Og. Happy birthday. Kanta ta. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ma'am, make a wish and blow your candle. Yehey! Balaksakan na to si Ma'am. Yehey! Happy birthday. Ya, Ma'am, happy ka karon. Nag-expect wala? Wala. Okay, Ma'am, happy